light day because I'm leaving early to go f up Carlos. 2019 Mercedes, then we have a Tesla, and the last appointment is rescheduling, so we don't have that. Doing a removal and retint on this Mercedes. Customer was not aware that he had tint on the side windows because they tinted 70% from the dealership with aftermarket film because that's the darkest they could do and still sell the vehicle in New York State. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken macaroni, Carlos's corny. My trusty old wallpaper steamer. Skirt. So yesterday I was here until 9 p.m. from 4 a.m. That was a long day, but I'm here again. I was here at 5 o'clock, getting right to it. Taking tomorrow off. Someone commented on one of my day in the lights and said I talk too much. Isn't that the point of the video? Gasket removal, let's get it. So we got a Tesla Model 3 coming in next. The same car that Carlos tints in every single one of his videos. Texas Tint Master. I sent Carlos a little package the other day. Hopefully he puts it in one of his videos. I'm not gonna spoil it, but I did tell you guys I was gonna send him something. And I threw a couple goodies in there, so it should be pretty funny when he, if he records his response. It's gonna be actually hilarious. Make sure you check his channel out, Texas Tint Masters. There's gonna be a big feud going on between me and him. I'm gonna call him out before this tint competition. Me and him got whole separate beef in this thing. You guys are gonna find out. Go seam this back window, tint all the sides. So apparently I have to stop working so much. I got yelled at by the girlfriend about working too long, working too many days. So I have to start having a personal life, which makes sense, right? Can't overwork yourself or you're just gonna become work, no personal. But I'm young, trying to hustle. So aside from the Carlos and Window Tint Warrior beef that's going on, Mike Burke from Sunstoppers is gonna be coming by. Actually, check his channel out. They made a cool video on the whole tint competition that's coming up, about how it's gonna work. He's gonna come here, he's gonna drug test me, you know, make it all fun. Definitely check out that video. Link in the description. What's going on today? So that foot, you know. What the f? Jimmy, I just pumped the bottle up and I ended up here. Pump it up. You already know. So with these, I like to cover this panel here. Inside of this little magical box is the fuse panel where water drips on top of. Shove a towel up in there, prevent any damage. Now it's time to strip. Strip the tint. We're stripping the tint. This is my favorite thing to do ever. Said no one ever. Doing this is almost as bad as watching Carlos's YouTube videos. So I'll take the tint off, I'll spray it, let the water soak into the glue. It's a little bit more easier to scrape it all off rather than going at it right away. Ay, ay, ay. So apparently, Eric DeVash from Tintwiz thinks that Carlos and Jason are gonna beat me and Billy, or even beat everybody, because they're gonna have a strategy. Meanwhile, I'm over here making strategy with Billy. Like, what's the difference between me and Billy and Carlos and Jason? Because they express their strategies and we don't. It's the quiet people that win. See how it is, Mr. Tintwiz. I'm Texas Tint Master and I'm not catching that. Sometimes they'll stick in the ground.
I have no idea how to make that work.
What do you mean? You just cut it.
No, but you move like...
2019 Mercedes E-Class. It's when you just have nothing to do, you just buy stupid shit. The Texas Squeegee Master. Yeah, it's very light though. I thought it was gonna be brighter. Isn't it weird that you call something light when it's not light, but when it's dark, you call it dark? But if it's light, it should be bright, but it's not bright, but it's light. You know what I mean? It's light, but it's a light light. It's just like when I had to sign for the Tintwiz sign that came in. Why should you sign for a sign? That's just like, I don't know. Yeah, I'm tired. Scraping away Carlos's reputation. Hopefully this comes off nice. Mercedes-Benz do have the tendency to have the defrosters come off with the tint, which is extremely inconvenient. So I like to steam it up really good. Depends on the material that's on the glass as well. Leaving some glue here. The last thing we want though is that bottom brake section to get ripped off, and we won't ever be able to get that off without taking this whole deck out. So nice and slow across the bottom. You can see all the glue on the back window. We use this chemical that just dissolves that. We'll scrub it off with a 00 steel wool. Was not anticipating a removal today. Looking for an easy day. Little tip, guys. When you're taking glue off or you're scraping the inside of a window, on these rear quarter glass windows, they're a lot softer. You do not want to use a razor blade on this glass. You will definitely scratch it. So I'll do adhesive remover. Once you let that glue remover sit for a little bit, I like to wear a glove with the white scrub pad and just scrub away the edges. Work your way to the center, makes a bit of a mess. 00 steel wool may be better because it kind of collects all this nasty gunk. But the whole key is to break the glue loose of the glass and then wipe it off with a towel. Voila! Scratch-free removal.
1 hour later.
All right, I just spent like an hour taking the glue off. It's one of those glues that was just a pain in the kind of like Carlos, exactly like him actually. Yeah, I'm hungry, I'm behind on time. Next car is here, so let's do this quick. Move on to the Tesla.
What's up guys, it's Sean again from Platinum Window Tinting, and today I'm going to show you how to tint a door on a Volkswagen Jetta.
Snack time. All right, those are done. Now please enjoy these commercials while we go on a break. Yeah, we are busy as can be over here. If we were any busier, don't know what I would do. Gotta get this thing wrapped up and get that Tesla started. I'm gonna do a timer on that, see how fast I can do that Tesla. I'm saying an hour. That back window though, I don't know. I've never tried to get a Tesla done fast, so stick around to see that. I might need another coffee and I'm not even done with my first. Coffee. You got the coffee? Do not throw down. Tea time. This thing is dirty. We are gonna time myself. I have to get this done soon because I gotta leave here soon. This thing is filthy. I'm gonna see how fast I can tint this Tesla Model 3 with prep, panel pop, and the back window done in one piece. Let's see how fast I can do it. I don't know. Ooh, that was a very bad idea. I haven't even prepped this yet. Nothing, so let's do it. Oh, where's my hook tool? He can look, Google, and send them that website and be like, these are all the colors that we can do. Massively dirty. This is not gonna be a good candidate for a timed video. Darker than black is not possible. Oh, this thing needs a bath. It's like Carlos dirty. Oh my God, look at that. That's Texas Tint Master forehead right there. Squeegee that motherfucker. Let me talk to this guy quick. I saw that one coming. I've never been backed up like this before. This is the receptionist right now, but once Sean's done with his cars today, he'll give you a call and help you discuss the color option. All right, thank you. Sensodyne, what you need after you sign up for TintWiz, because your teeth are gonna hurt so bad because they're gonna send you so much candy and cookies. It's a true fact. Spray, razor, spray, squeegee, spray. What days are open? Let's look quick. Damn, 15 minutes. We're doing XR, Expel, 5% on all back. Might be it. Oh. Whew. Nope, I almost knocked over everything. Whenever you cut a big, long piece like this, I like to pull the length first and then let the plotter cut. That way there's no pull lines when it goes back and forth. Oy, oy, oy. Nice. It's not as bad as it looks. It's pretty bad though. Carlos, what did you do? It's just one door, it's fine, it's fine. The back window's good, that's all that matters. Things happen. What happened when it went all the way back and forth, it started to kind of pop off with a release liner, peel back and stuck to itself. The main thing is we got the back window. We got a damage on the other door too, so I'm just gonna cut both of those doors off. Use the 60-inch piece for just the back window. I'm gonna cut the rest of the doors on the 40s. Jeez, unacceptable. There's gonna be someone in the comments that's like, oh, I can do that car in 10 minutes. Send it, I wanna see it. All right, so what I'm gonna do to make this more fair on myself is I'm gonna start a new lap on the timer to see how long it takes me to actually install the material. We're gonna start installing now. You know, I'm so over like the waiting for this competition. I just want to get it done. Takes Texas Tint Master down, take Dean and Dave Dellinger down, even take my partner down. I'm just kidding, Billy, I love you. Everyone's gonna be like, holy shit, Sean's not using a yellow turbo squeegee. You know what? You. I love my yellow turbo. As Dean says, I was born with a squeegee in my mouth. You guys are gonna see a cool method with the back window that Dean showed me with this PVC pipe with reverse rolling it up. It's just that little overhang there. I'm gonna let that dry and I'm gonna trim it. It's just cold, colder than Carlos's heart because he's so mean to me all the time. So as we speak, right now, this current time, Saturday at 10:47, notice each line goes to the squeegee strip. Carlos from Texas Tint Master is definitely recording his own day in the life video. But the thing is, you're gonna see this before Carlos is because he's so slow. When you guys see his, I'm gonna put the link down in the description for his channel. He's definitely gonna be talking shit about me in his most recent video that'll probably come out next week, but he's definitely recording it today. But I sent him a package like I told you guys I was gonna do, and it's pretty funny, but I can't spoil it yet. So make sure you watch his video to see what he got. I smell his bullshit in my sleep.
My friend watches the vlogs and thinks it's hilarious.
Cause he's a little bitch. What's your friend's name? Carlos, Alexis told you to shut the up and stop talking cause you're gonna get beat. I think I need to relax with the cursing a little bit. You're getting too comfortable. It's just a New York thing. New York, we got coffees and motherfuckers. Let me get a fucking bacon, egg, and cheese.
Did you say, is that a fucking rat?
Is that a fucking rat? Back window time. Damn, I gotta put my feet in there. You know, I'm really not moving my fastest here. We're 28 minutes into application time. What's up, man? Long time no see. Another customer slowing me down. Nope, that's what we're here for. I just spent like 5 minutes talking to him. Let's do it. Lots of shrinking happening here. I don't know how people do this window in like 5 minutes shrinking it. Hey, what's up, man? Whew. One side done. This is where most mistakes happen. You get so close to the end, get excited, and you crease it or you burn it. Let's not do that today. I'm gonna cut these crispy ends off. Clear release liner burns a lot faster than the tint does. I'm just gliding my knife on it, not really cutting it, because I don't want to score the glass. See, I'm lifting the material up to cut into the razor, and the razor's just gliding. Squeegee around the perimeter. Make sure there's no contaminants that are gonna flush in. You thought something was gonna happen, didn't you? So this little method I got from Dean Mitchell. Mean Machine, Dean Mitchell. Put the PVC like so. Pop the film off the glass. Get a nice wrap started in the center. Once I get a couple turns, I like to pop it off. That's why I'm not fighting with the curve of the glass when I'm rolling this up. Right. No. Get that residue off the dryer sheet. The cool thing about the new model Teslas and the Model 3s, the defroster lines are all sideways. They don't go like this anymore. So you can squeegee from left to right, right to left, without any inconsistencies. So on these new rear windows with the Tesla Model 3s, on the inside here, there is a piece stuck to the window that stops you from getting the film to lay. With the pre-cuts, they're a little bit bigger. They're meant for the older back windows. So I like to take these pillars off. Pops right out. That way when I lay it in, I can do some final trimming if I have to. Again, there is a vehicle-specific video for this. So for the exact details, tune in. Link in the description. There we go. One thing to pay really close attention to on these things is these ribbon cables here. You do not want to rip those. Scrub a dub, 3 Carloses in the tub. It's all in the prep. All in the prep. So we're gonna unwrap this like so. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Get that release liner out of the way. Don't touch my head to the glass. So many variables. The bottom isn't perfectly lined up, so what I like to do is get this PVC out of the way. I'll wrap this up and I'll go under it, let it lay over me, and then I'll line up the bottom. Bring my way up, being very patient. I can see through this. Yep, this is great. And the final lineup under the headliner. Props to all you beginners out there trying to do these. And if you get this, come work for me on your first try. Yep, I'm iron. No compensation over here at Texas Tint Master. No contamination either. All right, this timer failed. I failed you guys. Maybe next time when I'm not deprived of sleep, but the quality of work is still there, so that's all that matters. That's it. I gotta tune out. I got this bright baby blue Corvette to go check in for paint protection film and ceramic coating and window tint, a bunch of other things. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you check out Texas Tint Master's bullshit ass channel for him talking shit about me. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the Tint Feud.